Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to fix settings not showing on Instagram. So my attention was called that the settings icon at the top right corner here is not showing. And I thought it was a glitch at first, but when I go ahead and make my findings, then I realized they did this to avoid unauthorized access to settings. They said whenever there is a login to your account from a device they don't recognize, they are going to block the settings icon or the settings access for a week, for some weeks. So right now at the moment, I'm going to give you guys two solutions to this problem. So if the first solution doesn't work for you, then I know that the second solution is going to work for you. So now the first thing you are going to do is tap on edit when you go to your profile page. When you tap on edit, then tap on switch to professional account. After doing that, it's going to pop you up here. Then just tap on continue to skip all these options. Then after doing that, it's going to pop you up here. Then choose the category you like. After choosing the category you like, then tap on next. Then after tapping on next, tap on creator, then tap on next again. Then at this page you are going to click on not now, then here cancel. Then after that you are going to minimize and close the app. Then you are going to enter the app again. Then go to your profile page. Then here tap on professional dashboard. Then by doing that, at the top right corner you can see there is a icon for the settings. If you just tap on it, it's going to pop you up to the settings page, and I hope that will help you. So now I'm going to give you the second solution to this problem. So what I will need you to do is go to your Chrome browser. When you go to your Chrome browser, search for instagram.com. when you search for instagram.com, then log into your account. After logging to your account, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. At the top left corner you see a settings icon. Tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to give you the access to your settings, and I will be glad if these two solutions help you. So guys, don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.